Hello everyone. In my previous video, I showed you how to create a drop-down list. However, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the drop-down list from the spreadsheet or the column. If you highlight the data and hit delete, that's not going to delete the drop-down menus. We still have them. So if you need to remove them completely, you need to highlight the data here. Go to the Data tab. Go to Data Validation, and then look for the Clear All button. Click on it, click OK, and that's going to take care of the drop-down menus. Now, if you highlight the data and click delete, the value is gonna go away. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.